Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem: password validation in JavaScript. Many examples out there seem to get it right, but there's a sneaky issue that often goes unnoticed. The current setup checks for the presence of a special character, but doesn't enforce it. A vital piece seems to be missing, and it's all in the HTML pattern. Now, on to the solution that can save the day. By creating separate input elements for each character type and validating against them, we can ensure a robust password. The magic lies in copying the password field value to hidden elements representing each character type. This way, each requirement must be met before allowing form submission. In the provided JavaScript code snippet, we listen for input in the password field and sync its value to all pattern-specific hidden input elements. This dynamic update ensures that all character type validations reflect the password input accurately. Remember, each element with a pattern attribute represents a specific character type. Moving on to the CSS part of the solution, we hide the additional input elements used for character type validation. By utilizing CSS selectors like valid and invalid, we visually indicate whether each character type requirement is satisfied. This visual feedback aids users in understanding what's missing or present in their password. In the final HTML snippet, we bring everything together. Each hidden input element represents a different character type requirement, such as lowercase, uppercase, number, and special characters. By setting up these validation checks alongside a minimum length requirement, we create a comprehensive password validation system. To wrap it up, we've cracked the code for a robust password validation system. Remember, a secure password is the key to protecting your digital assets. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite password creation tip. Stay secure and tech savvy.